Students, today we are going to discuss chapter 6 ratio applications, in that proportion. Okay, proportion means what? Up to now, so far we discussed what is ratio. Yes, now proportion means the equality of two ratios are called proportion. Okay students, proportion means what Nana? The equality of two ratios are called proportion. We use the symbol for proportion is this one. Okay students, we use the symbol for proportion is this one. We can read it as దీన్ని ఎలా రీడ్ చేయాలి? is as we read is the symbol is as or is proportionate to. Okay students, we can write this symbol is as or is proportionate to. Okay, if two ratios A is to B and C is to D are equal, then we write like this: A is to B is equals to C is to D. Okay, if two ratios A is to B, ila two dots, already I told that this is read as what Nana? Is to. Okay, so if two ratios A is to B and C is to D are equal, then we write A is to B is equals to C is to D, or you can write like this: A is to B is as or is proportionate to C is to D. Okay now students, you can write like this. Clearly the four quantities A comma B comma C and D, okay, are the four quantities what Nana? A, B, C and D. This is the A is called the first term and B is called the second term, C is the third term and D is the fourth term. Okay, in a proportion A is to B is equals to C is to D. Okay, in a proportion A is to B is equals to C is to D, we can write it as A by B is equals to C by D. A is to B we can write it as A by B, C is to D we can write it as C by D. Now by doing like this, A into D AD is equals to B into C BC. Clearly first term and fourth term, first term A and fourth term D is called what Nana? Extremes. A comma D are extremes, and second term and third term B comma C are means. Okay, Nana? A comma D are extremes, B comma C are means. Now we can write like this: A is to B is equals to C is to D. These are what, Nana? Means. These are what, Nana? First term and fourth term extremes. Okay, we can write the product of the extremes is equals to the product of the means. Okay, students, we can write like this: the product of extremes is equals to the product of the means. Okay, now see the example now. Okay, students, now find okay, now what is the required value in that box to complete the proportion? 2:5 is equals to 6:, empty box is given, so I am writing here in this place x. I don't know what is the required number here, required quantity here. Okay, now just now we discussed now these two ratios are equal. 2:5 is equals to 6:x. Because of these two ratios are equal means they are in proportion. Now I am writing here second term and third term. These are what, Nana? Means. First term and fourth term. These are what, Nana? Extremes. Now what is the required condition? Product of the extremes is equals to product of the means. Okay, Nama, what is the condition? Product of the extremes is equals to product of the means. What are the extremes here? First term and last term. Okay, fourth term. Product ante nothing but multiplication. So that is 2 into x is equals to 5 into 6. Ante product of extremes ante 2 into x. Product of means 5 into 6. Now 2 into x, or I want x value. So that's why I'm going to transpose 2 to RHS side. Then what happened? X is equals to 5 into 6 by into quantity becomes what, now? Division quantity. Now 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Then 5 3s are what, now? 15. Therefore, what is the required value? X is equals to what, now? 15. So if we write x is equals to 15 here, then the two ratios are in proportion. Okay. Okay, students. So clearly, what are the means, Nana? Means 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. And if you write in the place of x 15, 2 15s are 30. 30 is equals to 30 will come. Okay. So they are in proportion. Okay, students. Now exercise 2, first question. The table is given like this. Proportion 1:2 is as 4:8. In this place, product of extremes, product of means. So we know these are what, Nana? In middle lo unnayandi. Second term and third term are the means. And the first term and fourth term are, okay, second term, fourth term.
Okay.
First term and fourth term are extremes. Product of extremes means 1 8. 1 into 8, that is equals to 8. and product of means second term, third term. 2 into 4 is equals to 8. Okay now? So like this you can fill the remaining boxes also. Now I am going to say the fourth question for you. You do question number 2 and 3 it as homework. Next, fourth question given like this here. 2:5 is as empty box given like this is to 15. Okay, now product of means and these are the middle ones. Product of extremes means the first one and fourth one. So what is the formula? Product of means is equals to product of extremes, or product of extremes is equals to product of means. So I am taking in the place of box x. Then what happens is 2 into 15 is equals to 5 into x. Okay, 2 into 15 means product of extremes is equals to 5 into 6, that is product of means. Transposing 5 to LHS side, 2 into 15 by 5 is equals to x. The into quantity becomes what, Nana? Division quantity. 5 ones are 5 3s are 15, means 2 into 3 is equals to 6. So we get x is equals to what, Nana? 6. Now you write product of extremes means 2 15s are 2 into 15, that is equals to 30. Product of means what? That is 5 into x. So 5 into x means the value of x is equals to 6, that is equals to 30. Okay students, so like this you can fill the remaining boxes also. Thank you.